Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my weekly nail art tutorial video for you. For this week's Facebook group collab, we have the theme of candy, and I believe it was maybe 2 months ago. Polish Pickup actually had an entire theme of candy, and I went a little crazy. And during that Polish Pickup, I also purchased this beautiful candy and sweets filled stamping plate from Apipia. So I decided to use it for today's manicure, and I also will be using a gel polish. I don't really feature gel polishes on my channel, and I have a couple new polishes gel polishes from Model 1, so I decided to include it as my base for today's mani. I do hope that you will enjoy it. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here or coming from the other channels that joined into today's collab, then welcome. I hope you will like what you see here. And if you do, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave. Alright guys, I will link all the video links, of course, in the description box. All the pictures that were created for today's collab are at the end of my video. And if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. And yeah, I hope you will just enjoy today's nail art tutorial. I believe that's it for my rambling. Thank you so much guys for being here today. Continue watching the nail art tutorial portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.